unlocking the power of the magic number 333 and the law of attraction. Today, we embark on a mystical journey into the fascinating realm of the law of attraction. Our focus, the magic number 333. Welcome to a profound exploration of the mysterious and transformative world of the 333 frequency. What does it mean, and how can you harness its power to manifest your desires? In this extensive guide, we will unravel the significance of 333, its mystical properties, and how to use it effectively to manifest your deepest desires. Join me as we explore this intriguing topic in depth. The significance of 333. To begin our journey, let's delve into the mystical significance of the number 333 and its connections to the law of attraction. Many spiritual traditions and belief systems consider certain numbers as powerful symbols, and 333 is no exception. The number 333 is often considered a powerful and angelic sign. In numerology, it represents spiritual growth, protection, and alignment with the universe. When you repeatedly encounter this number, it's believed to be a message from the universe or your spiritual guides, encouraging you to tap into the energies of the law of attraction. 333 in everyday life. In many belief systems, 333 is seen as an angelic sign, a message from the spiritual realm. It signifies protection, guidance, and alignment with the universe. If you encounter this number often, it's interpreted as a call to pay attention to your thoughts and intentions. Before we delve into its use in the law of attraction, let's explore how 333 appears in everyday life. You might see it on license plates, digital clocks, or receipts. Pay attention, for these seemingly random occurrences could hold a deeper significance. Using 333 in the law of attraction. To effectively use the 333 frequency in the law of attraction, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the law of attraction itself. Let's briefly review its fundamental principles. The law of attraction is the belief that like attracts like. It suggests that your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions emit vibrations or frequencies that resonate with similar vibrations in the universe. As a result, you attract experiences and circumstances that match your predominant thoughts and emotions. At the heart of the law of attraction is the concept of vibrational matching. Your external reality mirrors your internal state. If you want to attract positive experiences, you must align your internal vibrations with what you desire. Your subconscious mind plays a crucial role in the law of attraction. It stores your beliefs, memories, and emotions, and it operates silently in the background, influencing your conscious thoughts and actions. Now, let's discuss how to use the magic number 333 as a powerful tool in your law of attraction practice. Remember, it's all about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intentions with the universe. Method 1. This is a simple and easy method to put in action. Let me explain. All you need is your intention to attain something. For example, you want to get a car but you don't know how. Be specific. Think what brand the car should be, what color the car should be when you want the car. Now take a notebook. Write it down 33 times for 3 days. While you're writing, throw away any negative thoughts. Just believe that it is happening. Feel that it is happening. Now comes the real question. What should I write? I will share an example of what you can write, but use your own imagination, your intention, your desire, and write it. Example, my car is Tesla. It is red color. I have my Tesla car parked in my garage. Remember, whatever you write, you must write it for 33 times for 3 days. After that, leave it for a few days. Then again, repeat the same for 3 days. It may happen next day, next week, next month. Don't lose hope. Believe it is happening. For some people, it happens in few days. For others, it may happen in few months. But trust me, it happens. The next method is the 3-step method. The 3-step method involves setting intentions, expressing gratitude, and taking inspired action. 1. Set intentions at 3:33 a.m. or p.m. At this magical hour, focus your thoughts on your deepest desires. Write down your intentions as if they've already manifested. Be specific and positive. Visualize your desires coming to fruition while repeating them aloud 3 times. Example, Sarah's career breakthrough. Olivia, a marketing professional, used the 333 method to manifest her dream job. She set her intentions at 3:33 a.m., affirming, I am the successful marketing manager at my dream company. Within weeks, she received a job offer from that very company. 2. Express gratitude at 3:33 a.m. or p.m. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that raises your vibration. At 3:33, take a moment to express gratitude for the manifestations you've already received, even if they are small. Feel the joy and appreciation in your heart. Example, Mark's financial abundance. Mark, struggling with finances, practiced gratitude at 3:33 p.m. daily. He thanked the universe for the money he had and the bills he could pay. Within months, unexpected financial opportunities came his way, alleviating his financial stress. 3. Take inspired action. The law of attraction requires you to take inspired action towards your goals. After setting intentions and expressing gratitude, pay attention to your intuition. When you receive inspired ideas or opportunities, act on them fearlessly. Example, Laura's dream home. Laura desired her dream home by the beach. Using the 333 method, she set her intentions and expressed gratitude regularly. One day at 3:33 p.m., she felt an irresistible urge to check a real estate website. There, she found her dream property at an unexpectedly affordable price. She took action immediately and secured her dream home. Numerology and personal development, beyond manifestation. Numerology and the magic number 333 can be powerful tools for personal development, self-reflection, and self-discovery. By paying attention to the recurring appearance of 333 in your life, you may gain insights into your own journey. Use this as an opportunity for self-reflection and self-discovery. Joseph, an entrepreneur, noticed 333 everywhere. This led him to explore spirituality and meditation. He embarked on a profound inner journey, eventually finding inner peace and balance that positively impacted his business and personal life. The key to harnessing the power of 333 is maintaining alignment with your desires and the universe. Daily affirmations. Incorporate daily affirmations related to the magic number 333 into your routine. Affirmations like "I am in perfect alignment with the universe's abundance" can keep you on track. Maya used 333 affirmations daily to manifest better health. She repeated, "I am radiantly healthy and full of energy." Over time, her health improved, and she credited her affirmations for the positive change. In conclusion, the magic number 333 is more than just a numerical coincidence. It's a powerful symbol of alignment, manifestation, and spiritual growth. By using these methods, practicing gratitude, and taking inspired action, you can harness its energy to manifest your desires. Remember, 333 is a sign that the universe is supporting you on your journey. Stay open, stay aligned, and watch as the magic unfolds in your life. As you continue your journey with the law of attraction and embrace the magic of 333, may you manifest your dreams and desires with newfound clarity and purpose. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary exploration of the mystical world of numerology and manifestation. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of discovery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are also on their path to success.